Good morning, children. In the last lecture, we had studied about the cell division or the mitosis, its phases and significance of mitosis. Now, the last topic of this chapter, cell division, the chromosomes and the cell division, structure of chromosomes, cell division and cell cycle. We will have to study about the meiosis. On the last lecture, we had only studied about the meiosis. That meiosis is also called as reductional division. Here, haploid number of gamete or chromosome is being produced. Now, we all know that the human being have the 23 pair of chromosomes, in which the 22 pair of chromosomes are related to the somatic cells, means our body development, growth, repairment, and all this where the mitosis occur. And the last 23rd pair of chromosome, which is also called as sex chromosome or gametic chromosome, which contains the gamete, it is the chromosome where the reductional division is being occurred, or in the sense we can say that where the meiosis is being occurring. And why this meiosis is being occurring there? Because when gamete is n number of gamete will come from mother and n number of gamete will come from father, then these two gamete get fused and then it forms the zygote, which is of 2n number. So to form the 2n diploid zygote, the half number of chromosome from the each parents will be involved, and thus the meiosis will occur. Now, meiosis, the word meon means to lessen. That's why we all know that it is called as reductional division. Meiosis occurs in the sex or gametic cells. Sex or gametic cells in the sense the cells which produce the gamete. In the male and the female it produces the sperm and ova, and in the plants it will produce the pollen grain and egg cells. So these all are the cells which are involved in the meiosis. Meiosis is being completed. Here in your syllabus of the class 10, there is not detail of the meiosis. You all have to only study about the detail of mitosis, and you will have to significant role of the meiosis. Later on you will study by the each step of the meiosis, but here you have to only know that what are the divisions. So meiosis is completed into two divisions. Meiosis first and meiosis second. And similarly like the mitosis, prophase first, prophase second, prophase first, metaphase first, anaphase first, telophase first. And in the meiosis second, prophase second, metaphase second, anaphase second, telophase second. And in the meiosis, the prophase is being divided into 5 phases, which we will study in the later when we go in class 11, and there is a detail of this chapter in the ICSE board according to the syllabus. So you have to study only the meiosis first and meiosis second. Meiosis first is called as the reductional division, and meiosis second is called as the mitotic division. Why? Now come to know. Here the 23rd pair of chromosome, which is the gametic chromosome, here it is diploid in the nature. First of all, its reduction will take place, means 2n will convert or produce 2 daughter cells of n number. So here the reduction has been occurred, where the meiosis first is occurring. That's why it is called as the reduction division. After the production of half number of haploid gamete, these half number of gamete will produce a similar number of chromosome carrying 2 daughter cells from them. So they are carrying the same number of n number haploid, and here also n number of haploid. That's why they are called as the mitotic division, because we all know that the mitotic division, the chromosome number is being secured. Although it is called as meiosis second, but its nature is like the mitosis. That's why it is called as the mitotic type of division. And here the reduction division is being occurring. So what we had known that the meiosis is also called as reductional division. It is completed into 2 steps, the meiosis first and meiosis second. The first step is called as the reductional division, and the second step is called as the mitotic division. And it occurs in the gametic cells in the human being and as well as the plant cells. So, what are the significance? Just like the significance of mitosis, what are the significance of meiosis? In the meiosis, chromosome number is always half. It provides mixing up of genes. Here what happened? The mixing up of genes occur in the 2 ways. When the character from the chromosome, from the maternal chromosome and the parental chromosome, means mother and father, they'll get mixed up, and when they will get mixed up, then in the first reduction division, then in this way the mixing of the character occur. Now when this mixing will occur at the same time in the cell division, a phenomena which is called as crossing over takes place. What happened? The parental chromosome, mother and father, they are having non-sister chromatids. They both have the non-sister chromatid. So what will they do? They will transfer their one character to each chromosome, just like this. Just like this. Two non-sister chromatids will transfer their character from one chromosome to other chromosome, exchanging the material to maintain the recombination or the genetic material. So this is the transfer of genetic material in between the 2 non-sister chromatids is called as the crossing over. So due to the crossing over, during the separation of chromosome, it will occur. So due to the crossing over also, the exchange of character occur. So mixing up of genes occur in the two ways. In the transfer of maternal parental character, the first one where mixing up occur, and the second one is the crossing over, which is a phenomenon which we will study in detail in chapter 3rd, coming chapter. This is chapter 2nd. After this you will learn and know about it. Now coming to the variation. Variation means difference. What we understand by the variation? Variation means difference, because the chromosome is coming from maternal as well as parental. So two different genes it is carrying, and then that gene will be incorporated in the child. The child is almost similar to his parent, but whether it is plant or whether it is an animal or whether it is human being, it will also similar with its parent, but then also there will be slightly variation or the difference is there. That is due to the meiosis only. So we had known that the meiosis, what is meiosis, the significance of meiosis. Now we are coming to the difference between mitosis and meiosis. We all know that mitosis is called as the mitosis occurs in the somatic cells and the meiosis occurs in the gametic cells. Now mitosis could occur throughout the life because of the growth or replacement or impairment and all the things which will occur throughout the life. But meiosis will occur only to the reproductive age because it involves the gametic production. So gamete will be productive into the reproductive age only. So that's why the meiosis is during the reproductive age only. In the mitosis, there is the diploid number of chromosome or the same number of chromosome is maintained. That means the 2n will produce the 2n only. And the meiosis, the 2n will convert into the n, means haploid number of chromosome is produced. Here single nuclear division, because from one parent cell to daughter cell will only produce it. But here double nuclear division, because here meiosis first is also occurring and meiosis second is also occurring. In this phase, in the meiosis, G2 phase, we had studied about the mitosis, the interphase G2 phase was occurring, G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase, but in the meiosis, G2 phase will not occur. So G2 phase will not occur in the meiosis. Now here single nuclear division, here double nuclear division. So these all is the topic regarding the meiosis first and second, mitosis and difference of the meiosis and the significance of meiosis. So in this chapter, coming to the once more a type of review, complete exercise of this chapter and what we had studied. We had already studied about the chromosomes, that what are the chromosomes. Then we had studied about the discovery of chromosomes, that who had discovered the chromosome, Walter Fleming, in the lab of salamander. Then we had studied about the chromatin network, which is composed of histone protein and DNA, the structure of histone protein as well as the DNA, the nitrogenous base, the phosphate sugar and the bases which are being bound by the hydrogen bond. Then we had studied about the structure of chromosome, and then we had studied about what is genes. And after genes, we had studied that why the cell division is being necessary for the growth, replacement, repairment, gametic formation and all the things. And then we had studied about the cell cycle, in which I had told that the cycle is being there, where the cycle, a consequent step is being involved. So that we had studied, and in that we had studied about the interphase, where the G1, S phase and G2 phase we had studied, and then mitotic phase, which is also called as M phase, where karyokinesis and cytokinosis occur. Karyokinesis means the division of nucleus and the cytokinosis means the division of cytoplasm. In the plant cell, it will take place the cell plate formation, and the animal cell, there will take place the cell follow formation due to the presence and absence of cell wall. And then we had studied about the mitosis, all the phases of mitosis, significance of mitosis, and today we had studied about the meiosis and all the things regarding the meiosis as well as the significance and difference between mitosis and meiosis, and the difference between animal and plant cells also. So any problem regarding any topic in this chapter, you could ask me and do the exercises of this chapter and complete your copy.